So now that we've got our extension loaded onto our Google Chrome browser, what we can do is we can bring out the chat overlay as a separate window. So you can do that by moving to the right hand side, and if you click the three dots you can click pop out chat and your chat will pop out like this. And what you can see below is how it's going to look when you type something in. So the chat appears in the comments there, and if you highlight it in the chat window and it will come up as green, you can see then it will show like a logo. So what we need to do now is we need to bring this display window, which is this YouTube chat here, into OBS. So how we do that is we go back into OBS and we go to sources and we click the source button, and what we need to do is we need to look for a window capture. So the window capture is here, and if we just type in whatever you want to call it, YouTube chat, and then click OK, what we need to do now is look for that window, and you can see it comes up here. So YouTube chat window, and it displays here. So what we need to do now is click OK, and then the next thing that we need to do is position that where we want it on the page. So if this was on your live stream, for instance, you would move it where you want it on the page, and you'd hold your Alt button down, and then you see a green dotted line, and you'll move that to crop the area that you want to display on your live stream. So like this, and you can change the size of it as well if you want. You can make it bigger, smaller, and make that a little bit smaller like that. So that will display on your live stream. So if we make it, what you actually need to do is go back into your browser window where you've got your chat and just play about with the size of the window, because it's taken a capture from the actual window. So you'll always need the chat window open when you're doing your live stream, but you can play about with it and it will enable you to capture the comment. So you can see here, here's your comment, and then you can resize it like this. And then I always take off the bit on the left before the logo for the user. So I just crop that down. So you've got that window now on. So if you were live streaming, you can then see that window pop up and you can move it wherever you want it. And the next thing that we need to do is remove all the black from the background. So we need to click on the YouTube chat, and if we right click it and press Control, we need to go to Filters, and you can see another panel will pop up, and these are all the filters that you can apply. What we want to do is remove the black, so we don't get any black, and basically only the comment, the name and the logo show. So if we just add a Luma key and close, you can see now how all the black border has been removed. So if you were on a live stream now, then what you would see is you'd see my face, whatever you've got in the background, and then you'd see the comment here. So I hope you found that useful. It's a really good way to manage your comments in a live stream and have interaction with your audience. So you literally can just scroll through your comments and they will always pop up. So I hope that was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next stream.